Hello and welcome to this video, where we will explore the wide variety of animals on every continent. Animals are amazing creatures that have adapted to different habitats, climates, and challenges. They have unique and beautiful features, behaviors, emotions, skills, and eating habits that make them fascinating to learn about. Let's take a look at some of the animals that live on each of the 7 continents, starting with Africa. Africa is home to many iconic and diverse animals such as the lion, the elephant, and the giraffe. Lions are the largest and most social of the African cats, living in groups called prides. They communicate with each other through roars, growls, and body language. Lions are also known for their hunting skills, working together to catch their prey, such as zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes. Elephants are the largest and heaviest land animals, weighing up to 6 tons. They have long trunks that they use for breathing, smelling, drinking, and grabbing things. Elephants are very intelligent and emotional animals, capable of remembering, learning, and expressing empathy. They also have a complex social structure led by a matriarch. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, reaching up to 6 meters in height. They have long necks that help them reach the leaves of tall trees, their main food source. Giraffes also have distinctive patterns on their fur, which are unique to each individual. Giraffes are gentle and peaceful animals, but they can defend themselves with their powerful kicks if threatened. Moving on to Asia, we find some of the most rare and endangered animals, such as the panda, the tiger, and the orangutan. Pandas are black and white bears that live in the bamboo forests of China. They are herbivores, eating mostly bamboo, which makes up 99% of their diet. Pandas are very cute and cuddly, but they are also very shy and solitary, preferring to avoid contact with other pandas and humans. Pandas are also very lazy, spending up to 16 hours a day sleeping. Tigers are the largest and most powerful of the Asian cats, with striped fur that helps them blend in with their surroundings. They are carnivores, hunting mostly deer, wild boar, and buffalo. Tigers are solitary and territorial animals, marking their areas with urine and scratches. Tigers are also very agile and fast, able to run up to 65 km/h and jump up to 10 meters. Orangutans are red-haired apes that live in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. They are omnivores, eating fruits, leaves, insects, and sometimes eggs and small animals. Orangutans are very smart and curious animals, using tools such as sticks and stones to get food and water. They are also very social and friendly, forming bonds with other orangutans and humans. Next, we have Europe, where we can find some of the most elegant and graceful animals, such as the swan, the deer, and the fox. Swans are large and beautiful birds that live in lakes, rivers, and ponds. They are herbivores, eating aquatic plants, seeds, and grains. Swans are very loyal and romantic animals, forming lifelong pairs with their mates. They also have a graceful way of swimming, gliding on the water with their long necks and wings. Deer are medium-sized and slender mammals that live in forests, meadows, and mountains. They are herbivores, eating grass, leaves, and fruits. Deer are very timid and alert animals, running away from predators and dangers. They also have a graceful way of jumping, leaping over obstacles and fences. Foxes are small and furry mammals that live in various habitats such as forests, deserts, and cities. They are omnivores, eating rodents, birds, insects, fruits, and garbage. Foxes are very clever and cunning animals, using their sharp senses and skills to find and catch food. They also have a playful and curious personality, often interacting with other animals and humans. Continuing with North America, we encounter some of the most majestic and impressive animals, such as the bald eagle, the grizzly bear, and the bison. Bald eagles are large and powerful birds that live near water sources, such as lakes, rivers, and coasts. They are carnivores, eating fish, birds, and small mammals. Bald eagles are very proud and patriotic animals, being the national symbol of the United States. They also have a magnificent way of flying, soaring high in the sky with their broad wings and sharp eyes. Grizzly bears are big and brown bears that live in forests, mountains, and tundra. They are omnivores, eating plants, berries, fish, and meat. Grizzly bears are very strong and fierce animals, defending their territory and food from intruders. They also have a remarkable way of hibernating, sleeping for up to 6 months in a den during winter. Bison are huge and hairy mammals that live in plains, prairies, and hills. They are herbivores, eating grass, herbs, and shrubs. Bison are very resilient and stubborn animals, surviving harsh conditions and predators. They also have a formidable way of charging, running up to 55 km/h and using their horns and hooves to fight. Heading to South America, we discover some of the most colorful and exotic animals, such as the macaw. the sloth, and the llama. Macaws are bright and noisy birds that live in tropical and subtropical forests. They are omnivores, eating fruits, nuts, seeds, and insects. Macaws are very social and vocal animals, living in flocks and communicating with loud squawks. They also have a remarkable way of mating, choosing one partner for life and sharing food and affection. Sloths are slow and sleepy mammals that live in the canopy of rainforests. They are herbivores, eating leaves, buds, and flowers. Sloths are very relaxed and calm animals, moving at a leisurely pace and sleeping for up to 20 hours a day. They also have a unique way of hanging, using their long claws and strong muscles to cling to branches and trunks. Llamas are tall and woolly mammals that live in the highlands of the Andes. They are herbivores, eating grass, hay, and grains. Llamas are very friendly and helpful animals, carrying loads and providing wool and meat for humans. They also have a funny way of spitting, using their saliva as a weapon or a sign of displeasure. Moving on to Australia, we find some of the most unusual and distinctive animals, such as the kangaroo, the koala, and the platypus. Kangaroos are large and muscular marsupials that live in open areas, such as grasslands, woodlands, and deserts. They are herbivores, eating grass, leaves, and roots. Kangaroos are very agile and athletic animals, hopping on their powerful hind legs and using their long tails for balance. They also have a special way of reproducing, giving birth to tiny babies that live in their pouches until they are ready to emerge. Koalas are small and fluffy marsupials that live in eucalyptus forests. They are herbivores, eating mostly eucalyptus leaves, which provide them with water and nutrients. Koalas are very cute and cuddly animals, but they are also very sleepy, sleeping for up to 18 hours a day. They also have a distinctive way of climbing, using their sharp claws and opposable thumbs to grip and move on the trees. Platypuses are small and odd mammals that live in freshwater streams and rivers. They are carnivores, eating worms, insects, and crustaceans. Platypuses are very unique and mysterious animals, having a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, and webbed feet. They also have a rare way of sensing, using electroreception to detect the electric fields of their prey. Finally, we have Antarctica, where we can see some of the most cold and hardy animals, such as the penguin, the seal, and the whale. Penguins are black and white birds that live on the ice and in the water. They are carnivores, eating fish, krill, and squid. Penguins are very adorable and loyal animals, forming colonies and pairs with their mates. They also have a remarkable way of swimming, using their wings and feet to propel and steer in the water. Seals are sleek and furry mammals that live on the ice and in the water. They are carnivores, eating fish, penguins, and other marine animals. Seals are very playful and curious animals, often interacting with other seals and humans. They also have an amazing way of diving, holding their breath for up to 2 hours and reaching depths of up to 2 km. Whales are huge and graceful mammals that live in the ocean. They are carnivores, eating plankton, fish, and other marine animals. Whales are very intelligent and emotional animals, communicating with each other through sounds and gestures. They also have a spectacular way of breaching, jumping out of the water and landing with a splash. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the wide variety of animals on every continent. Animals are wonderful and amazing creatures that deserve our respect and admiration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.